Four numbers: 65, 60, 15, and 3. Remember them. 65. It was 65 years ago that a small group of dedicated and stalwart Jews and their families in Marin County decided it was time for our own Jewish community, our own synagogue right here in Marin County, right here in San Rafael. And so it was 65 years ago that Congregation Rodef Sholom was founded. 60. It was 60 years ago that this beautiful sacred space was dedicated, founded by that stalwart group of people. They dug deep, each one contributing to this community in many ways, to this beautiful sacred space, to make it a reality, not only for them, but for all these decades later, for us as well. 15. It was 15 years ago that a group of people came together from our own community, from Rodef Sholom, to begin dreaming of the next, knowing that our community, that this physical building could no longer support our growing and dynamic and ever-evolving community and times. They began dreaming of a new sacred space, one that would be able to hold our dreams and our visions, our prayers and our celebration, our service to our community and beyond. And so for the past 15 years, a dedicated group of people, so many of you, have come together to share dreams, a vision, and ideas for what will be our new sacred space. And lastly, 3. 3 months from now, on June 12th, it will be our groundbreaking for our new synagogue building. What a privilege it will be to stand there alongside all of you with shovels in hand to begin to realize what has been a great and holy vision for us for all these years, to be able to ensure a dynamic and robust Judaism for many generations to come. I think particularly about the words of one of our congregants who is herself in her 90s, who said that to be able to build a synagogue building as she did once 60 years ago was such a privilege. She and others went door to door to ask people to continue to support this sacred endeavor. And once again, she has the opportunity and says that it is the greatest privilege of her life to be able to do this again. I hope that you will join her and all of us in making this dream a reality, and that we will be able to stand by your side and partner with you through these next 3 months and for many generations to come, to continue to make Congregation Rodef Sholom a Kehila Kadosha, a sacred community in our new sacred space